everybody. My name is Satya. Today I will teach you how to make earbud painting. Things we will need: paint like wheel and paper and glass bowl. And what is this? Can you tell me? Yeah, it's earbuds. Okay, let's zoom in. And no. Last we have that. Let's zoom in. Now we do fold the paper side to side. We do it carefully. La 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 la, like this. Then fold it up. Now let's see how much it goes. It's okay. It's go a little bit, but it's okay. Now we will color it blue, just like a sky. Sky. It is little bit gap. Gap. Go away, gap. Sleeping line, la. Then go. See my priority. See. Yeah! Like this. My hair building. Smell great. First you make a tree. Tree. Like this is enough. Peekaboo! Funny. This is the light and the white, then the V. Beads are done already. Let's make a flower leaf. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 earbuds. And we will dip it on the pink color, then throw it around like a flower. We can do here also, flower can fall. Okay, it will be more beautiful one video. We are doing a little bit thing, but it will be more beautiful. Let's start it. Kids, let's zoom in! Forever! Not forever. Falling around one time, then Dip it in here, dip it there. Mix the color to every bed. Dippy, dippy, dippy. Dark pink for the beautiful tree. Colorful always the tree can be. Stamp, stamp, stamp. The baby say stamp, 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 stamp. Music go everywhere to sing a scary all the way to the It's looking great and nice. Now we will dip in the yellow color. Who is favorite yellow color? I don't know, but you to say in the comments. It's not goodbye time. It's art time. Silly. Here one, then la 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 la. Then one more, la 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 la. Then one more, la 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 la. It's becoming light yellow. Now one more, sunset, sun, sun, sun. One last time, then finish. But pink is finished. Hand dirty, band dirty. Now we dip in the ball. A white is also white. And we will dip it in the which this one. Take a wall. Dip, 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 dip. Nice. Our card is ready. Then we can do any message inside. I will write the message for my Papa. He will remember next day is Father's Day. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Bye bye. See you soon.